In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Wix. Whether you're new to website design or looking to expand your existing site, getting started with Wix can be a smooth and enjoyable experience. Let's dive in and craft your personal space on the internet. First, head over to the Wix Templates page. You can easily find this by typing Wix Templates into your favorite search engine. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of templates suited for different website needs. Our focus today is on starting a blog, so go ahead and click on the blog category. This will filter the templates and show you designs specifically tailored for blogging. Now that you're browsing through blog templates, take a moment to explore. When you find a design that resonates with your style, click on the Personal Blog option. These templates are excellent for individuals looking to share their thoughts, stories, or expertise. After selecting a template, locate the Edit button and click on it. This will open up the Wix editor, where you can customize your blog's look and feel. Here, you're greeted with a variety of editing tools. A crucial feature is the option to highlight elements you want to change. By clicking Highlight, you make adjustments easily visible and accessible. Don't forget to utilize the Quick Edit feature, which allows you to perform common editing tasks swiftly. This tool is especially handy for beginners, offering intuitive functionality to modify template elements. Within the editor, pay close attention to customization features such as layout and content. Clicking on Layout gives you control over the structural organization of your blog. Here, you can rearrange sections to suit your objectives best. Next is Content. By clicking here, you have the freedom to add unique text, images, and personal touches that speak to your identity and what you're passionate about. If words are your strength, click on Edit Text to focus on crafting engaging written content. This area enables you to set the tone of your blog with compelling articles. Remember, a unique voice makes your blog stand out. Need to add more personality? Add Elements is your go-to. Whether it's incorporating lists, buttons, or additional media, this feature broadens what your blog can offer visitors, creating a dynamic and interactive experience. Throughout this journey, remember that Wix's purpose is to simplify. These tools are user-friendly and designed to help you express your creativity effortlessly. So, take your time to explore each feature, see what works best for you, and don't hesitate to experiment. By the end of today's tutorial, you'll have a personalized blog ready to share with the world. With every post, you're connecting, inspiring, and broadening perspectives. Enjoy the process, and happy blogging!